Have you ever asked ChatGPT to generate an image, but the result looked nothing like what you imagined? The secret isn't luck, it's writing a better prompt. In this video, I'll show you both how to generate images in ChatGPT and a simple 6-step method you can use to get much better results. To get started, open ChatGPT and create a new conversation. Then click Create Image. If you're not exactly sure what you want yet, ChatGPT can help you explore ideas, suggest different concepts, and even write a complete image prompt for you. But if you already have an image in mind, you can simply start describing it yourself, which is what we'll do in this video. Now, before writing your prompt, remember these 6 questions. What? Where? How? Details? View? Refine? Let's build an image together. First, what? Decide what the main subject is. Let's create a fox. Next, where? Place it somewhere. We'll put our fox in an autumn forest. Now ask yourself, how? This describes the style. Let's make it a realistic photo with cinematic lighting. Then add the details. We can describe the image further by saying the fox has bright orange fur, there's light morning mist between the trees, and golden sunlight is shining through the leaves. The 5th step is view. Let's ask for a close-up view so the fox becomes the main focus of the image. At this point, our complete prompt could be, create a realistic photo of a bright orange fox in an autumn forest with cinematic lighting, light morning mist, golden sunlight shining through the trees, and a close-up view. Go ahead and send the prompt and ChatGPT will generate your image. Finally, refine. If the result isn't exactly what you imagined, don't start over. Simply tell ChatGPT what you'd like to change. For example, you could ask it to make the fox look younger, add mountains in the background, make the colors warmer, change the season to winter, or turn the image into a watercolor painting. Small changes like these often get you exactly the image you're looking for. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT, image generation is available, but there's a limit on how many images you can create over a certain period. That limit can change over time. Paid plans offer higher image generation limits, which can be useful if you create images frequently. So, whenever you generate an image in ChatGPT, remember these 6 questions. What? Where? How? Details? View? Refine? And that's how to generate images in ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, and check out my other guides for more useful tips and features. Thanks for watching.